All right, so the 14th gens, they made it a little bit easier for you to change your in-cabin air filter. Before you had to remove your glove box and part of the dash, but this one you only have to take out your glove box. I'm going to show you how to do it in less than 2 minutes. So there's two tabs on each side. There's a tab on each side of your glove box. You're going to grab hold of those tabs, push them in on the sides, and then lower your glove box enough, and then you can lift your glove box out. You don't even have to empty the glove box. Back in here you will see a honeycomb type box. On each side of the box is a little tab. You're going to just pull out on that little tab on each side. There's one over here as well. That pops this open, and then there you go. There is your in-cabin air filter. You will then pull this out, replace with a new one, and then just put it back together. There's two little tabs on the bottom. Make sure they go in their little holes there, and then push it on each side to make sure it is snapped into place. That is how you replace your in-cabin air filter. All right, to put your glove box back in, there are three little hinges there that you have to line up. Your glove box has three matching on the bottom. Just line those up, and you will kind of push them into place. You'll hear like a little snap, and then just raise your glove box back up, and that is it. Ford recommends you change it every 20,000 miles, but if you drive on dirt roads or in the mud quite a bit, or just live in a polluted area, you may want to change it about every 10 to 12,000 miles.